Hello everybody, in this video I will show you some amazing results of a seed growth experiment. So as you can see, I have here two containers filled with some grass seeds that I've grown over the past few days. And as you can see on the right, the seeds have grown much taller and much more of the seeds have sprouted compared to the left one here. And what I did is, on the left container I used just regular tap water, and here I used special treated water, and I will show you later how I prepared the water and how I treated it. So now I will show you the root growth of these seeds. So you can see it down here on this one, and then we also have this one where we have very poor and little root growth. And now I will show you how I prepared the water that I used in this container. So this is the setup that I use to prepare my water. With that I've watered the plants on the right container. So this is just regular tap water in a glass, and I've pre-filtered the water with my water memory cleaning device that you see here and I've showed in earlier videos. So with this magnetic device I've cleansed the water memory of this water. And I don't think it's necessary if you do the following steps I'm going to explain, but I did it anyway. So as you can see, the water is sitting on a flat coil. This is just a simple monofilar flat coil that is connected to an audio amplifier and gets fed a frequency of 528 Hz. Just a simple sine wave signal of 528 Hz that is played onto this coil, and the water sits on top of it, and it's placed on there for roughly 30 minutes. So that's enough to inform the water, and the water takes on this frequency. And to show you how far the field extends and that this frequency is actually played, I just take a neodymium magnet and come close to the coil. Maybe you can hear it. That's the frequency of 528 Hz. Also, if I come on top of here, you can also slightly hear it. This is just the coil itself oscillating when I bring a magnet close. So yeah, that is basically how easy it is to inform water with this frequency, and I've done this experiment now many times and I always got the same results of much more growth compared to any other type of water. So now I'm going to show you some footage of the growth itself over the days. So what you see here is when I initially planted the seeds. These are just in water, and right here you can see a difference because I've just planted them, and this is a few hours later. You can see already some seeds have sprouted already, but no visual difference of the two containers. But a few hours later you can quite see that on the right side a few more of the seeds have sprouted compared to the left side, but still the difference isn't that obvious in the beginning. So they still look kinda the same and both look good. But here you can see it the next day. On the right side there is much more green than on the left side, and as you can see, the seeds here haven't sprouted as well as on the right side. And this pattern continues also a few hours later. On the right side we see we have some rapid growth compared to the left side. And yeah, you can see the grass seeds have sprouted quite far and are already, some of them are already 1 centimeter or taller. So now we have the next day, and as you can see, now the difference between these two containers is very obvious. As you can see on the right side, the growth is very rapid, and also the color of the seeds or of the sprouts are much greener than on the other side. And this is again a few hours later, and yeah, the pattern obviously repeats itself. Right side with the treated water of 528 Hertz, on the left side just regular tap water, and you can see what big of a difference this makes in seed growth. I've tried this experiment many times and it fascinates me because I always get the same results. I don't know why this frequency is so special when it comes to seed growth, but I've seen this experiment in another video and I just tried to replicate it, and yeah, try it yourselves. The results will be amazing. As you can see on the right side here, how far the seeds have grown compared to the left side, where we have very weak seed growth. Also mind that on the place where I've placed it here, you only get direct sunlight for like 1 hour a day, so yeah, they don't grow as fast as they usually do, but nonetheless you can still observe a very rapid difference in growth when you just look at them, the left container versus the right container. And also, this is just my personal thing, I think the ones from the right container taste slightly better than the ones from the left container. So yeah, this is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, have fun replicating this experiment, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.